On May 6, 2020, a joint operation was conducted comprising officers from CTOC, Specialized Operation, the Caribbean Search Center, and the K9 Division. When the operation was completed, 7 suspects were taken in custody. Of the 7 persons arrested, 4 were subsequently charged with being a part of a criminal organization. 3 persons are awaiting charges, 2 of which remain in custody and 1 is at large. The persons arrested are...
I saw this story popping up in Jamaica where 2 siblings, Kenrick Moodie and KESHIA Moodie, they have been disappeared. But what makes this really crazy is that there's a video I heard floating around on social media. I haven't seen the video, but 2 people in a grave, a man and a woman, and there was a guy burying them in a shallow grave. Let's go.
We pledge ourselves
others lose
to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Man, I move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, I feel all of me dogs in the streets. I do road this a crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and the tough time. All who they a walk goes on the tear and the other face tough time. If you a giant, them you rough time. Simple thing to life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness not elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say no bother fret, youths now waste your intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The rough success will feature. With yellows, man and star and
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great and one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Country girl. That's all me I say now. Let's move on. Now, there is this news going around out there in Jamaica where 2 members of the Moodie family, brother and sister, have been missing, and their body, it seems like it's buried in a shallow grave. Now, do you guys hear what I'm saying? And this was figured out because a young man or another man was burying 2 bodies in a shallow grave and videotaped it and put it on Facebook. Now, I don't know how to take this because, I mean, 2 people went missing. The Jamaican police knows about it. Here comes a video on social media with a man putting dirt on 2 people in a shallow grave. And the mother of the 2 young people came out and confirmed that it looks like those are her kids. She still haven't found them, police still haven't found them. I'm saying, is this evilness? What kind of thing is this? I mean, can we as human beings be so fucking evil? Recently, I did a video that was actually 2 days ago when I interjected myself in the scamming community to be a scammer for a day. And I always thought the scamming thing was superficial. But after I became a scammer for a day, I was very disturbed and perturbed by that, because what I realize, these guys are actually making money, and once they start making money, then they start buying a whole bunch of guns, and once the guns come into play, then you have a whole bunch of murder. And it pains me to say this, but what the Deputy Prime Minister said about scamming causing a lot of killing, it's actually true. Look at the screen in front of you. You see right there it says the mother told the Jamaica Observer Online that after viewing the viral video, she realized those are her missing kids. Now the mother also went on to state that her daughter was mixed up in the wrong thing. She tried everything to get that young lady to do the right thing, but what that young lady did, she moved to Black River and she was linking with these gangs. Now, according to the information out there, this young lady was linking with some gang by the name of the King Valley Gang. She was rolling with the Kings Valley Gang out of Westmoreland. Now, this young lady, I'm telling you, sometime your mother say to you, a hard days make a soft ass. Her mother pleaded with her, and this young lady didn't want to listen. Now, I want to play a little clip from what happened to her a couple years back. She was caught up in the Kings Valley gang. She was actually the girlfriend of the gang leader, and the Jamaican police was onto them, and did arrest them, but something happened. But listen, I'm gonna play a little bit of this clip so you guys can understand how deeply mixed up in scamming and gang activity this young lady is. She don't know nothing about badness and about you out there being a scammer. You and your 20-year-old brother. Only should have there now in the yard a study. Damn. Let me play this clip.
On May 6, 2020, a joint operation was conducted comprising officers from SEATOC, Specialized Operation, the Caribbean Search Center, and the K9 Division. When the operation was completed, 7 suspects were taken in custody. Of the 7 persons arrested, 4 were subsequently charged with being a part of a criminal organization. 3 persons are awaiting charges, 2 of which remain in custody and 1 is at large. The persons arrested are Kevin Christopher Wilson, O.C. Bamson, 38 years old, waiter of Kings Valley. KESHIA Shanice Moodie, 19 years old. Miss Moodie is a girlfriend of the Kings Valley gang leader, Durval Williams O.C. Lukey, and she was arrested at Lukey's residence. A subsequent search of the premises was conducted in which 15 9mm ammunitions and 9.38 ammunition were found in Miss Moodie's purse. Miss Moodie was subsequently arrested and charged for illegal possession of ammunition. Our investigation has also revealed that Miss Moodie was acting on behalf of Williams in the sale of guns and ammunition.
Now, do you hear what Fitzbailey said? And this was in 2020, I'm not lying. You see, the police was investigating the Kings Valley gang out there in Westmoreland, and they did a damn good job. Now they said this young lady was also at the age of 19, you know. At that time her brother was what? Because she's 2 years older than him. If she was 19, he was 17. Or turning 18. The sale of gun for the leader of the gang, which his name is Lukey, the Kings Valley gang leader, Lukey. Now, you see the kind of lifestyle this young lady was living, and what is so sad, she pulled her brother into the lifestyle, you know. And now look what happened. She is gone missing, and a video circulating online, and her mother say it's both of them. Now, how do you guys feel about this kind of news and this situation, for real? Because it is a very disturbing situation. Now, I'm gonna wrap this video up, you understand, and I just wanted to highlight her criminal background and what she was mixing up in, and that's obviously the cost of her life. She was arrested when she was 19 with this gang and doing scamming and all sort of thing. And just like I said in the scamming video I did, these guys make a lot of money, and they buy a lot of guns. Talking about it, it might seem like a damn story, but this is some real life thing going on in Jamaica. It's really sad. I sometimes doing this, I'm wondering if I'm really making a difference, but I don't know how they're gonna correct all of these things unless the government and the community them come together, and you know, private sector, everybody, and decide to listen, we're gonna change this, you understand? Because I don't think a political party can solve what's going on in Jamaica right now. It have to be the people them. And this young lady, I hope people watch this video and learn from it. She don't know nothing about badness. Her brother don't know anything about badness or scamming or whatever, how to flex, and they got caught up in the wrong set of things, and this is what happened to them. Now, before I forget, they were freed on charges because of this judge right here. See what it says right there? Justice Sykes freed 6 alleged King Valley gangsters found not guilty. And he went on to say the witness in the case was incredible. Now, the police have definitely tried to put these guys away, this gang. But Justice Sykes, he gave them a break, and the gang went on, because this was in 2020, so this was 3 years ago. But Justice Sykes went on to free the gang, and now the gang and them tentacles have spread, and since they have been freed, there's been many murders in Westmoreland. If you don't believe me, you can just Google it and you'll see it. And this Kings Valley gang, they are scammers, and them have them on set in everything, because they're actually making money. I did a video on scamming, and I was very surprised and perturbed at how this thing was. It actually, I couldn't even sleep the night after I did the video, because I pretended to be a scammer and went through the whole phase of getting lead sheets and stuff. But long story short, Justice Sykes, I think this one kinda rests on your head, cause you let them gangsters back out of jail. And I hope young people who's out there in the scamming learn from this. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.